Whether you're looking for a standard microwave or a combination model with all the bells and whistles, you'll need to figure out what fit type you're looking for. There are two options to choose from: freestanding or built-in. A freestanding microwave sits on your kitchen counter and can be easily moved as long as there's a power supply nearby. Ideal if you're moving home or changing your kitchen. Meanwhile, a built-in microwave is installed directly into your kitchen cabinets. This frees up your counter space and gives your kitchen a cleaner look. Microwaves come in different shapes and sizes, so whether it's freestanding or built-in, you'll need to check the dimensions. Luckily, you can find these on our product pages. Make sure your new microwave is the right size for your space. If it's built in, you'll need to check for any sockets or pipes that could get in the way. Microwaves can come with 13-amp plugs, which just need a socket or a cut plug that'll need hard wiring by an electrician.